How to create an account on Wise. Let's get started. Click on Register and enter your email address. Then, check your email. You'll receive a verification link. Confirm your email address. Once you're verified, choose the type of account. I'm going to pick personal for now. Select your country of residence. Next, you can read about what Wise can be used for. The next step is adding your phone number, then entering the code from the SMS. Create your password. Make sure it's strong. You can also secure the app with Face ID, but I'm going to skip that for now and just choose a passcode. Now, fill in your personal information. Nationality? You can search it in the bar. And don't forget to add your occupation or job position. It doesn't have to be super precise. That's it. Now you can start sending money. This is how to create your account on Wise. For more videos about Wise, subscribe to the channel. I've made more step-by-step tutorials you might find helpful.